So now let's talk about the tax. A student like me usual pay tax indirectly through things we buy like food, load, or school supplies. May kasama pang FAT doon. Galing ang tax na ito sa daily expenses natin. Kaya kahit sa student, nakakatulong pa rin sa gobyerno. From it, ginagamit ng gobyerno ang taxes para sa public services. Tulad ng edukasyon, health, kasama na rin dito ang pagbabayad sa mga public workers tulad ng teacher, police at iba pang government employees. In terms, in simple terms, kahit hindi pa tayo full-time workers.
For me, yung current taxation system sa Philippines ay may good side at bad side. Good siya kasi through taxes, nakakagawa ang government ng mga school, hospital na kailangan ng mga tao. Pero may bad side din kasi minsan hindi klaro yung kung saan napupunta lahat ng taxes kaya nawawala yung trust ng mga tao. Sana mas maging transparent pa yung government para makita natin na napupunta talaga sa tama yung binabayaran natin. In in the end, okay naman yung system pero kailangan pa talaga ng improvements para maging fair at helpful sa lahat.
If I could change something in our current taxation system, I would make it more simple and easier for people to understand. Many taxpayers get confused because there are too many rules, forms, and requirements. I would also improve transparency so people know exactly where the taxes go and how the money is used. Another change I would make is adjusting tax rates to be more fair so low income families don't feel too much burden while higher earners contribute more appropriately. Lastly, I would improve online services to make filing faster and more convenient. Many people still struggle with slow processes, long lines, and outdated systems, so better digital tools will save time and reduce stress. I would also add more support hotlines and help centers so taxpayers can easily ask questions or ask assistance. These improvements would help make paying taxes less stressful and more efficient for everyone.